What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Mike here at RCRX. Just wanted to bring a quick video this morning. I'm going to make one more attempt at a run for Poorboys, guys. Got it back together. I took it for a run yesterday. Got it up to 75 miles an hour. Had some issues with the gears wanting to stay tight, but they're pretty good now. But this ESC and this motor don't play well together for some reason, so I've got to get it pretty well adjusted, and it's kind of a one pass deal, so, or I have to let it cool down after that pass. It's not super high geared, but barely trying yesterday. It got 75. And I'll put that pass in here as well, but wanted to say real quick, thanks to everybody who's supported me on this. All you guys who have sent me stickers, Kurt, Paul, Dirk over at RC Birds. I know Iowa Budget Bashers has got some in the mail for me. But anyway, guys, there she is. Also, Rick's FPV, he has sent me some stuff to test. He made this case here for the GNSS. He's also made this splitter. Hopefully it's in the frame there. This diffuser here in the back. He's also got some side skirts and a splitter coming to me. So thanks for that, Rick. I do appreciate it. But yeah, you guys check Rick out over at his channel. He's got some pretty neat stuff he's making on his 3D printer for these cars. I know we may not be running this car again in the Poorboys Challenge, but if you're going to continue like me to try to get some speed out of this thing, check Rick out. If you need something 3D printed, he could probably help you out. I'll have a link to his channel in the description, guys. But enough jabbering this morning for me, and we'll get straight to the runs, guys. Hopefully it's a good one. If it's not, either way, I'll have it in here. So got to put the good and the bad in there, I guess. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have an awesome weekend. All right, guys, we're back. Got the TT-02 hopefully fixed after a first run fail. It for one didn't want to go straight, and then both the gears decided that they wanted to do something different, came loose. So I'm gonna try again. Gonna try again, see what happens. Look at that paint chipping off of there. That was 75. Good morning, guys. I'm out here with the TT-02 for what's going to be my final run for the TT-02 Poorboys 2023 Challenge. I've got a repurposed 917 body on here that I painted on the outside, so don't make fun of my paint job. Didn't clean it super well, just wanted to be able to see it. So it is chipping off the front from the run the other day. But yeah, guys, it's early in the morning. The sun is just coming up. It's a bit cloudy. I could spend all day trying to run it, but we've got to head out of town to see our daughter. She's shipping out overseas in the military, so we won't get to see her for another 6 months. So I'm gonna make this quick pass, a couple passes maybe, And then we'll have to head out, so might do some editing on the way. Got a grandson's birthday party that we're gonna do at the same time, so 12 satellites zeroed out. It's picking up. Let's see if we can make it hit real quick. Hopefully it goes straight. All right, guys. See what she wants to do. I don't think I set any records there. And she crashed. But I really just kind of put this thing together last minute. Lost the body clip there. Still running. That was 85, guys. Wasn't too far off, but just wants to go left, or go right rather.